much. Thank you very much for giving us this platform to showcase the story of Ghana. And I must say that the achievement of these SGDs requires us to be strategic in the mobilization of our resources. And in this, we have to be prudent with the management of our resources, as well as block the leakages and to enable us achieve the financing that we need and to help us implement the SGDs. I must say that, like you mentioned, Ghana was one of the pioneer countries. We believed that the friendly process to align both the public and the private funding was to come through the Integrated National Financing Framework, the INFF. And so with this, we saw it as a useful tool that serves as a prompt and guide, not to only assess the status of our development finance, but also as a tool for prioritizing what needs to change in the sourcing and utilization of development resources. And so as part of this, the building blocks that we have used and we believe is still working for us is that of leadership. Leadership that facilitates institutional coherence, leadership that has a clear vision for results, a leadership that has strategic financing policy, strong monitoring, evaluation, and learning system, and an enabling environment for accountability and dialogue. For us in Ghana, a number of these building blocks were already in place. We had begun the process of the SGD budgeting. We've also, which enabled us to map the budget allocations and expenditures to government policy priorities. Again, recently, Cabinet has given Ministry of Finance the go-ahead to set up a climate financing division that we believe will coordinate the activities in that regard very well and help us align to make it fit for purpose. Distinguished guests, the changing development finance landscape and our fiscal decentralization drive, coupled with the need to ensure citizen participation in the developmental process, informed the decision to adopt a bottom-up approach for delivering on the INFF. A bottom-up approach to delivering the INFF targeted citizens directly at the local level of governance and puts the SGDs at the heart of the local government financing. And so we ensured that the metropolitan, the municipal, and district assemblies play a central role in financing and implementing the SGDs. We asked them to own the process, and the frameworks developed at the sub-national levels have become the first step towards the development of an INFF at the national level. And for us, the integrated financing framework at the assembly level, also christened the International Integrated Assembly Financing Framework, has enabled the assemblies to identify the various innovative sources of funding and raise additional resources required for development. The IAFF also promoted policy coherence, strengthened institutional capacity, identified and addressed gaps in the resource mobilization, and assisted the assemblies as they sought to implement key activities around our Ghana Cares program. The Ghana Cares program is an initiative to build on immediate actions taken immediately after the COVID-19. And so the assemblies are helping us implement this because we believe that Ghana Cares program at the assembly level will be instrumental in the advancement of initiatives such as the Assembly Diaspora Development Partnership Initiative, the SGD's investor maps, and the SGD's investment fair, all aimed at mobilizing both public and private funds and investment for development at the local level. And so we are looking to partner with the Ghana UNDP office to advance this work started on the diaspora partnerships. The diaspora partnership was a key outcome of the process at the sub-national level. So distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we've also commenced processes towards the development of the framework at the national level with the development of a development finance assessment, the DFA. As with all INFF processes, the DFA will be subjected to extensive consultation, which will involve both national and sub-national level processes. And with the support of the UNDP country office, we hope to complete our DFA by October. We know we are not there yet, but we are still moving on and hoping to make progress. It's our sincere belief that our DFA will show the lessons and experiences from the national level and help us to achieve the objective. So thank you very much for your attention.